Hey friends, welcome back to my channel Glam Your Look. I hope you all are doing good. In this video, I'm going to share with you my shopping haul. So I have shopped many makeup, skincare and body care products, and I shopped all these products from Nykaa, Amazon, Flipkart and Purple. It is not a shopping in 1 month, so I have collected all these products in the period of last 2 months. Some I have bought in the month of March and some I have bought since the last 2 to 3 weeks. So there are some products which I have been using since 2 months, and there are also some products which I am yet to try out. So mostly the products that I'm going to show you in this video are very affordable and they are very easily available online. So in this lockdown period, you can definitely purchase them online. And after receiving all these products, I have sanitized them well. So first I will show you all the skincare and hair care products, and after that I am going to show you all the makeup products. So the first product that I have are these sheet masks. As you can see, I have got 5 sheet masks, and this is from Lakme. And there was one good offer going on Nykaa, like if you're getting 3 sheet masks, then you'll be getting 2 free. So if you want to purchase, you can definitely go ahead and buy these sheet masks. They are very good in quality, and as you can see, I've already tried out this one. So this is the lemon variant, this is the pomegranate variant, this is the strawberry, this is the watermelon, and this is the kiwi. So I just love this particular sheet mask. This is very hydrating and it instantly gives a very good glow on face. So I have got 6 sheet masks from Face Shop, and these sheet masks are also very good. There was an offer like buy one get one on Face Shop sheet masks on Nykaa. MRP of these sheet masks is rupees 100, and so I got each of these sheet masks for rupees 50 each. And I just love all the products of Face Shop, and particularly their sheet masks are of very good quality, and I've already used these sheet masks and they're very good, and definitely you can go ahead and purchase them. These are easily available on Flipkart and Amazon and Purple as well. So next I have this Nykaa Skin Secrets sheet masks. So I have got totally 12 sheet masks, and there was also one offer on Nykaa sheet masks, like buy one get one offer. So at that time I took all these sheet masks, and definitely I'm going to try them. I haven't tried these sheet masks yet. So once after trying, I'll definitely share my experience with you guys, like how it works on my skin and all. The next product is this serum by Biotic. This is Biotic Biodendron Serum, and this is my all-time favorite serum, and particularly for oily skin, this is a very good serum. And during summers, my skin tends to become a little bit oily, so I feel like using this particular serum, and it is very refreshing, very cooling, soothing on skin, and it also works on pimples and acne. So definitely you should try this particular serum. The price of this serum is rupees 230, but I have got on a flat 25% discount, so it was a good deal. This serum I have bought from Purple. So the next products that I'm going to show you are all products that I bought from Purple. So from Purple I have bought so many skincare products. The next one is this one. This is Aroma Magic Grapefruit Face Wash. It smells very good, and it instantly removes all the oil, makeup and everything from face, and this is a very good face wash, and definitely you should try this. And the price of this face wash is rupees 180, as you can see. So the next products are these body washes, and this is by Wow. So this one was also on offer, so I got this on buy one get one offer, so it was a great deal actually. And Wow products are always good. They're paraben free, sulfate free, cruelty free and vegan, so they're definitely good quality products. So I thought of buying these body washes, and I have already used this body wash, as you can see. So and this body wash is good. I am loving this body wash, and this one I haven't opened. I will definitely try it out, and I'll share my opinion with you all. Price of these body washes are rupees 299, but I got this for rupees 150 each. So the next products are these body washes. This is by Aroma Magic. This is Aroma Magic Jasmine Blossom body wash, and this is Aroma Magic Plum Blossom body wash. So they claim like these body washes are for hair, face and body, but I haven't used on my hair and face. And this one I have already opened. I have been trying, and since 1 week I have been trying, and this body wash is very good. The smell is very good, and and instantly you'll be feeling very refreshed, and it foams very good, and it is not at all drying on skin. And the MRP of this product is rupees 190. So the next product is this is Biotic Bio White Advanced Fairness Face Wash, and this is the biggest bottle, and this one also I will try out and share with you all. This I haven't tried before, and this is my first purchase of this product. And as you can see, there is also that cello tape on that. I haven't opened it, and the MRP is rupees 240. And so the next are these. You can see this one I have already used, and a little bit is left. This is Alps Goodness body wash. This is the shea butter variant, and this is the argan oil variant. So these body washes are also very good, very affordable, and always you'll get on very good discount on purplle.com. So definitely you can go ahead and buy these body washes. The cost of each body wash is rupees 125, which is very affordable, and these body washes are also good. They make skin very soft. You will not at all feel flaky or dryness on your skin, and they're very refreshing and lathers really well. There is no paraben, sulfates and all in these body washes, which is a great part. This is Blossom Kochar Aroma Magic Mineral Glow Scrub. So this product I'm also using from the past 1 week, and this product is very good. There is very fine particles, and definitely this product is going to work on whiteheads and blackheads. In my case, I have little bit whiteheads around my nose, and this product really worked wonders on my skin. The MRP is rupees 175, but this product is always available on good discount. And Blossom Kochar products are also very good. So they are not tested on animals. They are vegan, and there is no paraben and harsh chemicals. It has a little creamy consistency, so it's very good for dry skin, and it also moisturizes your skin while scrubbing. So that is a good part. The next product is also by Aroma Magic. This is Aroma Magic Moringa Skin Toner, and this is for combination skin. And in summers my skin actually tends to become combination. I have little bit oil secretion around my nose, and that's why I like to use this particular toner. And this is my second purchase actually. I've already tried their rose hip variant as well. That is also very good. That is very refreshing, and it is a very good smell of rose, which I love. It is not at all chemical smell. It is a very light rose smell, and I just love using that toner. And these toners also work well. And the MRP of this product is rupees 125, which is very affordable. I have these two hair oils, and these are by Biotic Bio Bringaraj Therapeutic Hair Oil for falling hair. This is not at all too oily on scalp, so definitely if any one of you is having a very oily scalp and it becomes more oily in the summers, in that case you can definitely use this particular hair oil, and it is also very affordable. So next product is also related to hair, and this is this serum. This is Leave-On Hair Serum. I have been using this serum since I think some 4 to 5 years, and this serum is my all-time favorite. This product also I highly recommend. So next I'm going to show you some products that are from Good Vibes, and this is Good Vibes Argan Face Gel, and this product I have been using since 2 months. In the month of March I bought this product, and this gel is very good. So you can see I have already finished half of this tub. So if you are having a very oily skin, in that case you can definitely use this product as a moisturizer during summers, and it can also be used before applying makeup. So it acts like a primer as well. So this is a good product, and this is very cooling and soothing on skin. So next I am having this Argan face scrub. So this one I haven't opened and I haven't used it. So after using only I can tell about this product, how it performed on me. So next product that I have is Alps Goodness Swiss Love Coconut Moisturizing Cream, and this is also new purchase and I haven't opened. As you can see, there is a wrapper on this. The MRP of this product is only rupees 99. So next I have another product from Good Vibes. This is Good Vibes Plus Chamomile Lotus Night Cream, and this particular product is also cruelty free, paraben free, and I have been using this product since past 2 weeks, and this product is also very good. This is not very oily and very highly moisturizing, and this is very good for summers only. And this is the night cream, so this is meant to be used at night only before going to sleep. The MRP is rupees 275. Next I have this sandalwood face wash from Alps Goodness. This is also very good. Believe me guys, this is a very good face wash at a very affordable price. And as it claims, it works like that only. It instantly soothes acne, brightens skin complexion, helps restore moisture, and it's totally correct. It is not at all drying on skin, and instantly you'll be feeling a cooling sensation on your skin when you apply this face wash on your face. And there's also a brightening effect, and I have tried and tested this. One of the tube I have already finished, and that's why I'm sharing my opinion with you. I highly recommend this particular face wash to you all. Price of this face wash is rupees 99, and there is also no paraben and sulfates and harsh chemicals in this face wash. So there was an offer going on Flipkart, like 50% off on these two lip balms. So I bought these lip balms, and this is the strawberry variant, and this is the original care. So these lip balms are also very good in quality, and this one I have already tried, and the smell is very good, and it has a little bit of sheen and color. And this blue one is not having any sheen and color, and this one I have already tried before, and I haven't opened this tube and used now. But these two lip balms are very good, and I highly recommend. The next product that I'm going to show you is also from Flipkart, and one I have been using, and this is a face razor set of 3 face razors. The brand name is written over here, Can. And the MRP of this product is also written rupees 199. This is good for face. This is not at all harsh or very sharp for facial hair removal. So you can so this is good for removing facial hair from upper lips, cheeks, chin. So this is a good product actually, and definitely I recommend this. Next product is this one. This is Himalaya Purifying Neem Face Wash, and this is also a product that I have used many times before, and this also I highly recommend for acne prone and oily skin. This is a very good face wash. The MRP of this product is rupees 190, but so I got it on a very good discount from Amazon, and I highly recommend to you all. So next I have these 2 toners from Alps Goodness. The name of this toner is Amba Haldi, and the smell is also like haldi, and you can see I have already used so much, there is little bit left. So this one I have been using, and I can tell you guys, this really works on skin. So definitely go ahead and buy this, and this one is also very good. I have used them 2 to 3 times. So this is also good, so definitely you can go ahead and buy this. And the MRP of this toners is rupees 125, which is very affordable. So next I have this Alps Goodness Sandalwood face cream, and this is the smallest tube, and this cream is also very good and good for summers. This is not highly oily on skin, so definitely oily skin people can also use this particular cream. And the price of this product is rupees 75. It's written over here. Next product is this one. This is Himalaya Revitalizing Night Cream. I have heard good things about this particular night cream, and the reviews were really very good. That's why I thought of trying out this night cream. And the MRP is written over here. This is rupees 260, but this particular brand Himalaya you'll always get at a very good discount. The ingredients list is mentioned, and there is no paraben in this product. Next I have these 2 my all-time favorite roll-ons, and this is from Nivea. This is Nivea Protect and Care roll-ons, and for summers this is a must-buy product, guys. It's a must-buy product. The smell is very good, and it lasts all day long, and even protects your underarms from odor and sweating and all. So this is a very good product and must buy product, and also very affordable. This one I have got on a very good discount from Amazon, so I have taken 2. So it has costed me around rupees 139 each, which is a great buy. Next I have this purple lip balm. This is Purple Childhood Vestige lip balm with SPF. This is in the flavor raw mango. Cost of this lip balm is rupees 155, but always you will get this particular product on good discount on Purple, as this is an elite brand of purple.com. So this is how the inner packaging looks like. It's so beautiful, so classy. This is the lip balm, as you can see, and I'm using this particular lip balm right now, and I love this. The smell is also good. It's a raw mango, so I feel like eating it. I got this particular two sheet masks as free gifts on my Purple orders, and definitely I will try these sheet masks and let you know how these sheet masks perform. So the one is in the variant aloe vera and one is in the variant volcanic ash. So now I'm going to share with you my makeup products that I bought recently, and some of them I have already tried and some I'm yet to try. So Biotic has launched their makeup line, that is Biotic Natural Makeup. So I have bought 4 lipsticks from Biotic, and this is Biotic Magicolor lipstick. So I have bought the shades Barely There. Then I have this shade, this is Bond Girl. The next shade that I have is Cookie Crumble. The next one that I have is Creamy Cup. So these lipsticks are really very creamy and moisturizing on lips, and definitely I am going to share with you one complete review video with you all, review and lip swatches. And these lipsticks are also very affordable. The cost of each lipstick is rupees 125, which is very affordable. And these lipsticks I bought from Flipkart. So on Flipkart there is flat 15%, 10 to 15% discount going on right now. So you will get these lipsticks on a very good discount there. So as you can see, I have bought 5 lipsticks from Faces Canada. So these are all the products from Faces Canada that I have taken. So this is Faces Canada Weightless Stay Matte Compact with SPF 20, and it has vitamin E and shea butter. This product is not tested on animals, and my shade is Ivory 01, and the price is rupees 199. So the next product is this one. This is Faces Canada Weightless Matte Finish Foundation, and this has anti-aging properties. It contains natural extracts, and this is the small tube. There is a larger tube as well, but I have taken this smaller one to try on me. You can see the shade number is mentioned. This is Natural 02, and I have these 5 lipsticks from Faces Canada. This is Faces Canada Weightless Matte Finish Lipstick, and it has 4 gram of product, and I have 5 shades with me. This is the shade Buff Nude 05. So basically I have bought all the nude shades because I wanted to try out all the nude shades from this range, and I also like to use nude shades on a daily basis. That's why I have taken these shades. This is the first one, and the second one is this one, shade Forsake Beauty 01. This is Subtle Mauve 10. The next one that I have is Brown Ashes 25. This is Natural Earth 15. Forgot to mention this about this. I bought 3 lipsticks from Flipkart. This one, and this one, and these 2 are from Purple, and these 2 products are also from Purple. So next I have these 2 products from Essence, and this is the Essence mascara. This is Essence Lash Princess mascara, and this is a very good mascara, and I have tried this recently, and these 2 products I have taken from Flipkart. So now Essence products are easily available on Flipkart and on a very good discount, and these products are also very affordable as well. So this mascara cost, I don't remember, I will mention that somewhere on the screen, but I have got this after a very good discount. And this is Essence foundation, and my shade is 10 Soft Base. It's written over here, and this foundation is also very good. I have tried this recently, and I will do a full dedicated video about these 2 products, and I will share my opinion about these 2 with you all. So next I have taken these 2 lipsticks, the set of 2 lipsticks from L'Oreal Paris Rouge Signature, and this is a pack of 2. I have 114 I Represent and 121 I Choose. So these 2 lipsticks are I had got on a very good discount from Flipkart, and this was on a flat 50% discount. That's why I took this, and I will do a dedicated video about this product, and I will share with you all about this product, how is the pigmentation, how is the lasting power, formula, about everything. Okay, so stay tuned for that. The price is also mentioned. It is rupees 1300, but I've got for 50% discount on this product. This is Biotic Natural Makeup Magic Compact, and my shade is Seashell. So this is for fair skin tones, and this compact is also very good. I have tried recently and it is I just loved it. So this one also I will share in details with you all how this product is and what is the inner packaging and everything. The next product that I have is this one. This is VLCC Glam Glow 10-in-1 Skin Perfector, and I am in the shade Ivory, and this is tinted. It has SPF 30 and PA triple plus. So this product I have tried once and it is like a primer, and it doesn't do much on pores, but it instantly smoothens out skin, and it can be applied before makeup, and it is very affordable as well. The cost is rupees 150 only. It is mentioned over here. So next I've got a very popular product and very famous, and this is SFR Color Double Deck Professional Makeup Kit, and this is a very good product, and I've seen many YouTubers doing video on this and craving about this product, that it is very good. And mainly I've seen Nidhi Katiyar, and I was very impressed with this product, and after that only I bought it immediately for me. This is the packaging. So these are all the sets. As you can see, these are very beautiful. So I'll try to create some eye makeup and I'll do a full review about this product and share with you guys. This product I have taken from Amazon. It was available on Amazon and I bought for rupees 249, which is a little bit on higher side, but that's okay. I just love this palette, that's why I bought it. The next product is also from SFR Color, and this is Vars London SFR Color 28 color eyeshadow palette, and this one I bought from Flipkart and it has costed me rupees 235. This is shade number 01. I loved all these shades from in this palette, which are very everyday kind of shades, neutral shades, nude shades, which we can wear on a daily basis. So this one also I'm going to review for you all and share with you how this product is, and I'll definitely create some eye makeup and share with you all. Last but not the least product that I have is this one. This is Miss Cold Color Series eyeshadow palette. Actually this is an eyeshadow palette. It also has some blushes in it. So it has 9 matte blushers, 24 Makmali eyeshadow, 24 matte eyeshadow, and this is a very big palette, as you can see, and it is very good for gifting and all. If you are thinking of gifting anything to a girl or lady, then in that case definitely you can choose this product. And this product is very huge actually, and I'm very much impressed with the packaging. The packaging is very beautiful. These are all the sets. So this product is very affordable. I got this from Flipkart for rupees, I think around rupees 350. It has so many eyeshadows. You can see, you can experiment with so many colors, and they are not extremely highly pigmented, but that's okay. This is good. It has buildable pigmentation, so it is good for beginners. So if you are beginner, you can definitely go ahead and buy this particular palette. It has so many blushers. The blushers are very good actually. They are matte and there are so many types of shades, so it's very good. And eyeshadows also, there are some shimmery eyeshadows and some of them are mattes. But this video is a little bit big, so I'm sorry because I had so many products to show you. So if you like this video, then please give it a big thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. I'll bring more such amazing videos for you, and hit the notification bell next to it so that you will get notified and never miss any updates whenever I upload any of my videos in future. And please to like and share. So see you in my next video. Till then, bye and take care.